In this tutorial we will create connecting rod. Here we will create rod and cap separately, and at the end we will make save as a different bodies, and even though we will create this little gap so that we can identify. So first let's start together both part. Now you will see the dimensions. Now overall length, the center to center distance, you will see 160 millimeter. See here, or overall length 212 millimeter. But the radius 19.5. This is it is the radius, 10 millimeter the inside hole. Now here comes at bottom 25 millimeter this inside hole, and the outer radius 32.5 millimeter. If we see the side view, the depth or thickness of this, see here 24 millimeter at bottom also, and the center one, this body, the center one, you will see here 18 millimeter. Then comes this circular cutout, this cutout, you will see 3.5 millimeter from both side, and here one gap distance given 54 millimeter. So here we will keep tangent, and here 54 millimeter, and this depth you have to calculate from this 3.5 minus 18. So let's do this. Now first I have to choose any one plane, so I am going with right plane. Sketch. Now make sure you selected from here unit millimeter. Activate circle and start from origin point. Just move your cursor and place left mouse on this origin point, drag and drop. Similar way I am going to create two. Now just zoom in, and here I am going to create two more. Press escape key to out or right select. Again I am going to activate center line so that it looks. Make sure these vertical constraints available here. Activate line tool. Now select somewhere here, drag, and rather than click on this face, better to click outside. Right click, OK. Now here we will make one relation. Hold shift key, select this point and this circle coincide. Okay, now I want to make here it's tangent. Select both the line. See both the line and click mirror entities. See, this is mirror. Now activate smart dimension. Now let's define this. Now the first outer one, it is 19.5 is the radius into 2, 39. The inside one 10 into 2, 20 comes here, and this is going to be 32.5 into 2. The inside one 25 into 2. See, and what else? Let me define this vertical length 160. Okay, and here the distance between these 2 points 54. Now look, this is fully defined sketch. You will see here. So those cutout even we can define in another. So let's do this. Drawing is fully defined. Simply exit and activate here extruded boss base. Now first from we will keep same direction. Direction other than blind keep mid plane, and here distance how much 24. So I am going to select, move your cursor and click this highlighted. See, this is moving in both side equally because we selected mid plane. Say yes. Look. Now similarly again activate, select sketch 1, extrude. Again this time you will see here selected contour. Just move your cursor and you see it will automatically select the profile. So here I want to make this one direction mid plane 18 millimeter. Say OK. Look. Select this face, sketch. Now activate line tool here. Go back to the point and see the line converted into arc. Similarly, again move your cursor out and again go back to the point and see the line converted into arc. Okay, now select this point, tangent. You will see this option. Click point and you will see this option, tangent. Make sure everything is tangent. Now let me create few more important relation. Hold shift key, select these two edges, make parallel. Similarly, hold shift key, select these two edges, parallel. This is important. Now activate smart dimension. First dimension 3.5. Similarly, keep here. Okay, now there is an important relation. Hold shift key, select these and this. Now this center distance must be 5. Look, just take little down. Now activate. Hold. You must. If you not going to select, see it is took center of the circle. So better to keep and hold shift key and select these two edges. 5. Now look. Go to feature and select extruded cut. Now here we have to calculate. (18 minus 3.5). See, divide by 2. 7.25. So here keep line depth 7.25. Okay. Now look. Activate mirror feature. First you have to choose reference plane. So we have to choose any mid plane. So here we have mid plane, right plane. See. Now feature to mirror. Select, activate and select this one. Okay. Look. Both side the hole is created. Section view. Here select front. Okay. Now let's check the thickness. Go to evaluate, measure. And I'm going to select these two lines. Where is dimension? Okay, look. Dimension here. 3.5. Okay. Now, let me save this one. Okay. Go to desktop. Now create one folder. Connecting rod. This one keep as a connecting rod. Save. Now let's make this outer part. See this outer diameter 20. 9 millimeter there is a hole. See 25 it is the half of this. And center to center 70 millimeter. And even you will see here one cutout like this. In isometric view we will do this also. So first let me create a plane. We need to choose two reference plane. So top plane 60 millimeter because the center to center distance 60 millimeter. Choose flip side. Say OK. Choose plane sketch. Now activate circle. Draw here two circle. Press escape key to out. Again select center line. Connect these two center line. Press escape key to out. Select the line and you will see this option tangent. Vertical. Select these two circles. You will see this option make equal smart dimension. This distance 70. Okay. And the whole diameter 20. Fine. Now what we have to do, choose origin point, hold shift key and select line. And you will see this option. So here choose make midpoint. Look. Isometric view. Okay. Here go to feature and select extruded boss base. Now start condition same, end condition mid plane, and overall length 50. See, it moves both side equally. Say okay. Look. Now again I am going to use the same sketch, extrude cut, change direction, but here I am going to choose start condition surface. Now here it is asking you which surface. I want to start from this surface. Look. Now make sure you extrude enough to cut the proper shape here. So this is enough. Okay. Now look. See how it cut this shape in both sides. Sketch, activate circle, and let me draw circle at center. Select both the circle, equal, smart dimension, diameter 9. Now activate extruded cut feature, and here I am going to select through all. If we choose through all, it will cut up to the end of body, so it's okay. In this say, see, let me hide. Okay, we need this one. Now I want to make both separate body, but here only one body. So what I am going to do, let me hide this plane. Sketch. Now here I am going to create one center line. If I move my cursor, you will get midpoint. Select this midpoint to midpoint and go to surface feature, extrude surface, reverse. Make sure it is more than the body. Okay. Now look. Now I want to go to direct editing, and here you will find option split, trim tool. So I am going to select this. Now all bodies, select cut bodies. Now look, two body already cut. Now I want to keep both body, so give name. Now first body name is rod. Okay. Now second one, cap. Say okay. Now it is going to yes, yes, both going to save and open both part together. See, rod, and even though you will see cap, window, go to connecting rod. Now let me hide this. Give me color, go to edit appearance. Oh, this is going to be the color. Now, if you want to give a gap, use this tool called move and body. Bodies to move. Select this. Now here X, Y, Z direction. So I'm going to choose Y. Even though you see translate Y, let's say 10. Just do reverse and you will see the preview. Say okay. Look. So this is how we did a simple exercise in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.